this is Frances Snider with Royal LePage Royal City Realty here in Guelph.
Can you believe it is already the middle of May? The weather is finally warm and sunny, flowers are blooming, and spring is finally here. We are hopefully at the back end of the provincial lockdown, and with the majority of the population getting vaccinated, we may be closer to the end of this pandemic. In the real estate world, the market in the region is still pretty hot, and we continue to see a strong seller's market in Wellington County with an increase in overall sales activity. House prices in the area have increased as demand for homes in the area remains high, and it is forecast that sales activity should remain strong going into the summer months in the region. But let's delve into Wellington County numbers for a snapshot. The year-to-date sales volume for end of April 2021 is up 129% over last year's numbers, where 2021 sales volume to date is already over $1.3 billion at the end of April, where last year we were at $570 million. Unit sales are at 1,637 for the county, which is up 77% compared to last year numbers at this time of 920 units sold. With the region being in lockdown for the majority of the past month, the supply of homes for sale was still at a low, but I won't be comparing this April to last April since our numbers last April were quite low as we were at the beginning of the pandemic closures. Thus, when comparing month over month from this year to last year, the numbers are just not relative as they show huge percentage changes, which we know the reason for, and extreme changes year over year. Nonetheless, the continued spike in buyer activity brought the year-over-year median sales price to $721,500 at the end of April 2021, up 29% from last year's median of $559,250. And year-to-date average sales prices continued that trend, increasing 26.7% over last year, resulting in an average sales price of $789,742 for year-to-date at the end of April, versus the average price of $623,171 after the initial lockdown for the pandemic just 1 year ago. Although 2020 continued to show shorter average days on market, the 2021 is moving homes more quickly than ever. Average days on market was 16.5 days at the end of April 2021 versus 28.5 days at the end of last year in April. So homes are continuing to move very quickly on the market and in less than 3 weeks on average. Regardless of the lockdown due to the pandemic, Wellington County continues to show a very strong seller's market, which is continuing to push up prices here. The average year-to-date sales prices for freehold homes in the area is $868,410. Condominium homes is $560,241, and vacant land sales is $759,610. With our economy responding to the third wave of COVID pandemic effects, things may change slightly in the region in the near future if interest rates rise or if our current lockdown continues past what is forecast in June. However, for now, real estate prices in Wellington County are continuing to rise and as always prove to be a safe and secure investment. Keep healthy, stay safe, and enjoy the sunshine. We'll talk to you soon.